So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button, and here you have to select swipe to restart. The process may differ from phone to phone. You simply have to restart your phone once, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and then move to mobile data, or do vice versa and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back. Here you have to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and then click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check for the game update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If you still face the same issue, then you should install a VPN and then try to play the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for a VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it. After that, log into the VPN app, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, you should check if there is enough storage space available or not. For that go to setting, and after that here you have to click on RAM and storage and check if there is available space or not. If there is less space, you need to delete some unused apps or games or other data, and then try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your phone. After that, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that click on install option. And after the game is installed, now try to play the game and see if the game is opening now or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.